Very good morning to all of you. I once again welcome you all to this current video lecture. As you know that in our last video lecture we started one important point from the chapter that is called as the reactions shown by the alkynes. So we completed the first type of reactions given by these alkynes, that is called as the addition type of reactions shown by the alkynes. Now in the today's lecture we are going to take the next important type of the reactions shown by these alkynes, and that reactions are nothing but the reactions of acetylenic CH group. In alkynes the acetylenic linkage is present, that is a C triple bond C single bond hydrogen. Then this hydrogen is called as the acidic hydrogen, or this is a acidic proton is there. And why this is acidic? Because the hybridization of this carbon is a sp hybridization, and due to sp hybridization 50% s character is present, and due to which its electronegativity is more, and that's why this hydrogen acts as a acidic hydrogen. And due to this acidic nature, this type of the alkynes show the some reactions, and that reactions are nothing but the reactions of acetylenic CH group. Now what are the different type of such reactions that we have to take now? So the first important reactions of this type is called as the formation of heavy metal acetylides. Heavy metal acetylides formation can be takes place by the given alkynes by the reaction with a suitable base. So first of all, I take here a simple example of alkyne, that is a propine. Whenever this propine can be react with the sum of some important bases. So first base I take here NaNH2. So whenever NaNH2 can be reacts with such a type of the propine, then what happens? It undergo one metal acetylide formations, and what are that? So from this reaction we get here CH3 single bond C triple bond C minus, this is a Na plus, along with a byproduct that is called as the ammonia. So this type of the simple heavy metal acetylide formation can be takes place by the reaction of this propine with the NaNH2. So this is the first simple type of the reactions for heavy metal acetylides formation. Secondly, if I take the same example now, again I take here propine, but I change the base now. Instead of NaNH2, if I take here N-butyl lithium, C4H9 lithium, if I take the second type of the base, then what happens? Again in this case also we get the heavy metal acetylides, CH3C triple bond C, it becomes minus. Now what is the metal in this case now? The metal is a lithium. So in this case we get here lithium positive plus the byproduct is a C4H10. So this type of the heavy metal acetylides formation can be takes place by the reaction of this propine with the N-butyl lithium. Again, if I take the next type of the base, for example, I take the same example in this case also, CH3 C triple bond C single bond H. Now if I take the Grignard reagent, suppose CH3 MgBr. If I take now the Grignard reagents, now what happens? Again this Grignard reagent reacts with a particular alkyne by the involvement of such a type of the acetylenic proton, and due to the acidic nature of this, it again reacts with this type of the Grignard reagents to form the heavy metal acetylides. Now what are that heavy metal acetylides? In this case we get here CH3 single bond C triple bond C, it is a minus now, and what is a metal in this case now? It is a Mg. So it get here MgBr, this positive is there, MgBr. So this is the first type of the metal acetylide formation can be takes place by the reaction of these Grignard reagents with a particular this type of the propine. So we can say that in this case this type of the heavy metal acetylide formation can be takes place along with the byproduct. Now what is the byproduct? This CH3 from the Grignard reagent and H from the propine forms a byproduct as CH4. So this is a very simple type of the reactions shown by the alkynes, that is called as the formation of heavy metal acetylides. In all these three reactions, some metal can be involved. In the first case, sodium metal is there. In the second case, lithium metal is there. And in the third case, magnesium metal is there. So all these metals form acetylides by combining with a particular alkynes. So this is the first type of the reactions given by these alkynes, that is called as the formation of heavy metal acetylides, and these are the three different cases under which we can form the heavy metal acetylides from the alkynes. Now after completion of this reaction, the next important reaction of this type given by the alkynes is called as the formation of higher alkynes. We may form the higher alkynes from this type of the involvement of the acetylenic CH group. So what are that types? So for this purpose, we have to take a suitable alkyne in this case. If I take here a simple alkyne, that is again I take here suppose a simple alkyne, that is acetylene. I take here H single bond C triple bond CH. Suppose this is a first example of the alkyne family, that is called as acetylene. And if we are interested to form the higher alkynes from this acetylene, then how to form? So for this purpose, we have to take the help of the acidic nature of this particular proton. So in the first step, we have to react this acetylene with a base, that is a NaNH2. We have to take here NaNH2, and we know that we just see the same reaction in this case. Whenever a alkyne can be react with the base, that is a NaNH2, then what happens? This acidic proton from this alkyne get replaced by the particular this base, and we get here the formation of the heavy metal acetylides. So in this case, we get here C triple bond C, it is a minus, this is a Na plus, and the byproduct obtained is called as the ammonia. So ammonia gas get evolved with the formation of the such a type of the heavy sodium acetylides. Once these heavy sodium acetylides can be formed, now these sodium acetylides can be used for the formation of higher alkynes. So these sodium acetylides now further reacts with this sodium acetylides further reacts with a particular alkyl halide. We take here alkyl halide as a methyl bromide. We take here the methyl bromide as alkyl halides. Now these alkyl halides reacts with this type of the sodium acetylides, and the formation of a particular higher alkanes can be takes place. So what happens in this case? We get here H single bond C triple bond C single bond CH3 plus the byproduct obtained is a sodium bromide. So this is a very simple reaction. From acetylene we may form here the propyne compound, that is one carbon is added to the particular acetylene. So this in this case one more carbon atom is added to the particular acetylene, and that's why this reaction is called as the formation of higher alkynes. So in this case, what we have to take here? In the first case, we have to take a suitable alkyne. This alkyne reacts with a particular base. In the first step, we get here heavy metal acetylide, that is a sodium acetylide is obtained, and this sodium acetylide in a further reacts with the particular alkyl halides, and finally we get here the higher alkynes from the lower alkynes. So these are the two important reactions given by the alkynes by the involvement of a particular acetylenic CH group. So we can say that the alkyne compounds show the two different type of the reactions. First reaction is called as the addition type of reaction, and the second type of reaction is called as the reactions of the acetylenic CH group. So with this is a completion of the reactions given by the alkynes, as well as this is the end of the chapter called as the alkynes. So the remaining exercise from the chapter we will take in the next lecture, and in the next lecture we will start the next chapter from the syllabus. So with this, today I stop here. Thank you.